All right, throw daddy the ball, monkey. Good try, good try. All right, monkey, throw daddy the ball. A little effort, monkey. A little bit, come on. A little effort. Oh, good shot, monkey. Oh, good job. All right, monkey. Daddy go fishing. Daddy go fishing. There you go. Look at that, that's a decent one. Look at that trout, boy.
That's big.
Yeah. Jumped like crazy, didn't he? Look at him go. Man, look at that. Huh? Look at that. And I still could get that. Oh, no, he just tricked the worm off. That dirty, rotten son of a monkey's, uncle's, junior's, weirdo, Jim Bob, buccaneer.
Why do you use it?
Hello, folks. Welcome to Fatman Fishing. Well, a lot has changed. Obviously, I haven't posted a video in about a week and a half. How do I put it? Family wrecked the vehicle. My family was in a wreck. Rolled our vehicle. It's totaled. I'm not doing this for sympathy or for views. I'm just kind of giving you guys an update on why I haven't posted. I've just been so busy dealing with everything, and it just took a lot of my time up. Then on top of it, it has rained a lot here in western Pennsylvania. Well, central Pennsylvania. As you can see, the water is high. All these rocks you see up in here, that and some usually are not even shown. Water clear. This is usually a mellow spot. I mean, I can usually walk right the whole way out, about a third out of there. Walk. It's all stone. It has been vicious. But it's not gonna stop us from fishing. It's Fatman Fishing. I'm gonna fish. All right. Enough of me bull crapping and being fat. Let's get fishing. We'll see how it works.
Yeah.
Bro. I don't even think it's on, is it? Is it blinking?
I don't know if it's on.
Was it blinking? It actually was blinking. I can't see above my head.
You're blinking. My online right now.
No, I don't think. Yeah, we all been. The whole time it's been on.
I knew that was a swarm one.
Swan dived right in for me. Yeah. I do enough stupid stuff on the channel. If you watch it, you'll see. Oh, that looks nice.
Look at that one.
I haven't edited any program. I think you'll be all right.
You get a lot of hits if you watch me tie a leader on. We've been giving it a hell of a try today.
What's
For the conditions. Stay out of Frank's town and we're getting out of
when it's clear and nice, everybody says the Little Geniana is pretty nice fishing.
Yeah. Well, it's one of my favorite places in Pennsylvania to fish, but not today. It's my favorite place to fall in.
Man, you ain't upset about that. There's a bite. I just missed it.
I actually don't really care.
I know. That's part of fishing. If you ain't fell in when you're fishing, you're not doing something right.
I'm not a big fan of the chafing.
The old ball sack getting all crazy, huh?
Speaking of people falling in.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah.
Ruth, how's that, buddy?
Hey, Bill daycare, heads up.
I could have told you that. There's high weeds there. You gotta watch the ledge.
Hey, Cliff, I might need a hand here a little bit.
Alright, I'm going.
Make sure you don't fall in.
Your head above water at least?
Well, he's talking, so.
Not gurgling. Where's you at? First step to
Past the bridge.
Cross the bridge, look in the weeds.
Man.
Oh, shit.
Just scratch and claw, he'll get out.
The chest waves, I think you're still dry though, man.
What was he? Were you coming in from the other side of the bridge?
I'll come over and pull you out.
Hey, you better live stream. Cross the bridge ain't no good.
No, it's good, just not from that side. I was just about ready to go down there too.
You know, the water's disturbed. About a 200-pound man disturbed that water.
It's been a rough day, Besh.
Yeah? Look, a little gold bond can't fix.
Good thing I doubled up on the gold bond today.
Tell him, Nico, who you are.
Huh?
Tell him who you are. What's your name? Say, I'm Nico, the greatest fisherman ever. Tell him. See, so I catch all the monsters. Why not? Improve clinch knot. Run the hooky. Then Nico's gonna do what? Put his secret combination on. Show the world what catches the trout for you. Why are you laughing so much? Somebody tickling you?
No.
Giving you got the giggles? Is the soda you just drank giving you the bubbles in the tummy?
No.
No? Did you see a cute girl? You're blushing? Ooh, look at that face change, huh? Ah, nice. Give it a little bit of lubrication. Pull. Nice tight knot. Cut the tag end off with my delicious teeth. Okay, leave a little bit on there so that if they pull. This one's pretty well ready. So, look at that, and you'll be ready. Ready? Okay. Throw it in just a little bit. You have a bite already?
Yeah, but I was rubbing my nose.
There it is. Oh, he lost him. You gotta hook him hard, bud.
I need to fix this.
A little bit of mud in it.
Ouch.
You have a bite?
Yes.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Look at that. That's a decent one. Get him in there. Come on, Nico. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Give me a string.
What is
Bring it up
it?
here. Bring it up here. It's a trout.
Oh.
All right. Good job. Good job. Let's see if he lives. I don't think he's gonna live. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. See if he bellies up or not. He's fighting it. I think we're good.
You're gonna unhook yourself.
That's alright, you got one, huh? I think that was a rock bass out here. I thought it was a big bluegill. Yeah, right there. There you go. There's a little baby bass for you. Jumped like crazy, didn't he? Look at him go. Alright, you just pick him right up out. Okay, lift your rod here.
I can't tell if he got the worm
Okay.
or...
It's worms right there. It slides up when he's swimming. Okay, hold him like this. This one you hold your finger right in there. Come on. Don't be scared of him.
Gonna...
No, no. You're going to hold him right. Hold your thumb there. And put your other finger there. And you just hold him like that. That's it.
But
There you go. Put your thumb in there.
the freaking teeth get me every time.
There you go. Hold it. Boom. Look at that. Now you put your rod between your legs. Take it and take the hook out. Work it out. Push on it. You can push on it. There you go. Baby
Why
man.
did he... Why did the worm come up?
Because they're shaking.
Oh.
They're jumping. They shake a lot more than. That's why I like getting bass, because they shake more than a trout. Trout will try to swim in the water and get down there and get it off, shake a little bit, but a bass will just shake anywhere. They don't care. They're just trying to get the heck off this whatever they're on. So we found a spot to make a little bit of progress. No biggins, but something. Something's always better than nothing. Let's see what comes up and sees it for it this time. I don't think anything came up to look for it this time, so let's move a little more. Just trying to pull something out of the depths.
Soon you're not going to even be able to move.
Oh, here we got a bluegill. Oh, what the heck? Did the hook come off? No? I don't know how I missed him then. All right, sir. Where's your worms? Captain Nico, let's get a fish. He ain't got to be big. He just got to be a fish. Come on.
I'm not feeling it.
You're just not feeling it. Dent. Reel it in then. Get it back out there. Reel it in. Hopefully the worm's still on it.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Well, at least you didn't miss the fish. That's a positive. I know, right? You'd think she would have been here already to pick us up.
Oh, it's cold.
You in this cold. Ready? Here we go. Ah, there we go. You want me to catch it? You gonna get it, Captain Nico?
Well, I'm trying to not step in that poop I stepped in.
Just wait for it. Wait. Let him eat it. Goose fraba. I couldn't have it means don't worry.
It's a
I
wonderful
couldn't
phrase.
have yeah, you know it. I don't know very well. You got it.
You did
Sing
it
it.
wrong.
Show me how you do it the right way. Show me how to do it the right
God.
way. I'm following. We got this little worm left. It's all we have. And you had a bite and missed it. Oh, man, I'm about to catch this. Hold up. Sheesh. It's raining. It's the best time to fish, man. Come on. Gotta be a little one in there somewhere. It wants a little wormy. Come on, baby. Let me go over here because you weren't. Let's get over here and see. This is a sweet spot right there. See if we can get one in there. Oh. Man, look at that. Huh? Look at that. And I still could get that. Oh, no, he just tricked the worm off. That dirty, rotten son of a monkey's, uncle's, junior's, weirdo, Jim Bob, Buccaneer.
Well, why do you use it?
Huh? Want to give a kiss?
No!
Give a kiss! All right. You ready? Sweet. See ya.
You were trying to, no.
There you go. Look at that. Look at that trout. That's a good one. Hurry up. Look at that trout, boy.
That's big.
Yeah, do not pull it out of the water. You understand me? You bring it over here.
That's why I did. Sure, it's a bass.
Oh, he broke my hook off. Oh, there you go.
Are you sure that's a trout? That look different.